All right, guys. So welcome to TenTrade Partnership Masterclass. All right. My name is Toby Okunoga, and in this webinar, I have one goal and one goal is to expose you to how you can partner effectively with TenTrade. All right. So how can you partner effectively with TenTrade? What is partnership? The different strategies, how you can take advantage of what TenTrade is offering and earn a whole lot of money. All right. I'll also be showing you a step-by-step strategy on how a complete beginner can, take this thing seriously and start earning an average of $1,000, okay, residually on a monthly basis, leveraging on what TenTrade has, right? So I'll be giving you the strategy behind doing it and then the math behind it as well, okay? So this is me. My name is Toby Okunoga, and I'm a partner with TenTrade. I'm an IB with TenTrade. And what you'll be learning this night is my own system, my own strategy, how I do partnership, and how I think that you should do partnership, and also cutting short the gap. So I've been partnering since 2018, right? So my different strategies, what I've learned from my mentors, you will learn everything at once in this webinar, right? And very importantly, I don't intend for this webinar to be very, very long. So hopefully in 30 minutes to 45 minutes max, we should be able to be through with it, because I know that today is Friday. A lot of us might have parties, TGI, right? Good. So let's go straight into this. So who is this webinar for? If you are serious about creating long-term online business that makes you recurring income month after month, all right? If you're in this category, this particular webinar will expose you to how you can start earning residual income. I say this a lot. The mark of true wealth, when you say an individual is wealthy, you have to take a look at that person's passive income. Now, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, those guys, if they decide not to work again for the rest of their life, okay, they are set for life because they have a system that is working for them. Can you boldly say today that if you stop working, that you are set for life, that money will keep coming, right? So if you cannot say that, then you should take, what you learned tonight very, very seriously. Now, if you have been losing money repeatedly in the Forex market and want to start making it big, we all know that the majority of Forex traders lose money till this day. When you put random 10 traders in a particular room and give them a trading terminal to trade for about a month or 3 months, you'll find out that 8 or 9 out of those 10 traders are going to do accounts. Only 1 or 2 people might remain. Okay, so majority of traders lose money. But if you want to stop losing money and take a look at trading from another perspective, from the business angle, and start making money, right? This webinar will show you how you can, transition properly. Now, if you are a doer, not just a talker, and you are ready to invest in yourself and put in effort to transform your finances, right? Now, what you'll be learning tonight, when you listen to it, it's going to sound very, very interesting to you. Once you start seeing the figures, but nothing works until you put it to work. So what you learn tonight will only work for you if you put in the required effort, if you take the right actions, and then you are consistent with it, right? We want to show you how to make money, but nothing in life will make you money if you don't put in the right effort. So this also requires effort. So this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a get-rich-for-sure scheme for people that are consistent, for people that are ready to take action and put in the work. And of course, you have mentorship all around you, right? So that you can help you get started properly. Now, I want to start by talking about the California gold rush, right? So in the US, the state that gold was first discovered in was, California. Sorry about that. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. There's a function going on around the screen. Right. So in the United States of America, the first state that gold was first discovered is California. Okay. It was discovered by somebody in the backyard. Now, gold has been in existence before the California gold rush. So when gold was discovered in California, a lot of people, miners, started flocking into California to mine gold because you could find gold in the water, in the rivers. You could find gold when you dig deep. All right. But the long and short of everything was that in that California gold rush, the people that were making most of the money in that gold rush were people selling the tools that the miners were going to use to mine gold. All right. So it says that during the gold rush, the people who became rich were the entrepreneurs selling the supplies needed to extract gold, not the people who were out digging. So we had a scenario whereby now, when you read through the story of the gold rush in California, they call it the Wild West, okay? Because California was a new state in the US at the time. So there was no law enforcement agencies, there was no police, there was nothing. And then you had a lot of people in tens of thousands in their droves coming into a particular location, mining gold, right? The disorder in that period was, very, very massive. So you had a lot of people losing their lives, okay? A lot of people losing their investments, and a lot of scam activities going on in that gold rush. But the key point that I wanted to note here was that the majority of people that made money in that gold rush were people who were selling the supplies, okay, were the people in the service industry, not necessarily people actually mining the gold. Of course, there are people that mined the gold and then made money, but the majority of people that were mining gold did not make money. All right, so likewise, in Nigeria today, in Africa today, all over the world, a lot of people know about Forex. They know that in the Forex market, you can make a lot of money in the foreign exchange market. Okay, and that accounts for, over 90% of people lose money in the foreign exchange market, right? Just about 1% are profitable. But if you take the position of the people in this gold rush that were selling the supplies, if you take that position in the forex market and then you are providing services, products needed for traders to trade effectively in the foreign exchange market, right? You are not in competition with anybody. You definitely make money, right? So that's what partnership is all about in a nutshell. TenTrade is an existing service provider in the foreign exchange market. So how can you make money as TenTrade is making money? All right, hold on, guys. Give me a second. About talking about you taking the position of a service provider, right? Providing the resources needed for forex traders to make money. Okay. Now, TenTrade is a broker already providing services for forex traders. Now, a brokerage firm like TenTrade is already in the service business. Okay, so they already have market share, they have brand name. All right. So how does an average broker make money in the foreign exchange market? For every trade that you place as a client of a particular broker, the broker makes money in spreads and commissions. Okay, majorly that's the standard way, the basic way that they make money. All right. So partnering with that broker means that as the broker is making money on spreads and commissions, the broker is going to split that profit with you in a nutshell. Right. So that process is what I'm going to explain to you very, very quickly. Now, let's talk briefly about the profitability chain. Now, so this is a custom chain that I created. Now, talking about the people that make money in the foreign exchange market, right? The category of people that make money the most. The people that make money the most in the foreign exchange market, number one, are the big institutions, right? These are the hedge funds, the commercial banks, governments, central banks, right? So those are the ones that are making a chunk of the money in the market, right? And then next to the big institutions are the forex brokers like TenTrade, because for you as a retail trader to trade in the foreign exchange markets, you cannot trade directly in the market. You need to go through the broker. And for every trade that you place, the broker makes money. All right. So either you make money or you lose money, the broker is making money. All right. So it's an amazing business for the broker, right? As a matter of fact, brokerage firm, they don't even necessarily have to know how to trade forex to make money. As long as they are providing that service for you, they are making money regardless. And then the third people that make the most money on this chain are the introducing brokers, which in this case are the people that partner with brokers. So an introducing broker, look at an introducing broker like a mini broker. All right. So an introducing broker splits profits with the broker. So it's just like your affiliate marketing. Now, the people at the bottom of this chain are retail traders. And we all know the statistics. Majority of traders lose money repeatedly and consistently. All right. So what I want to show you tonight very, very quickly is that majority of us on this call are already, forex traders, and possibly you are losing money, possibly. All right. Now, how can you transition to now also becoming an introducing broker, moving up the food chain and making additional income, right? It's very, very easy. It does not cost you anything to make extra income, all right? So let's talk about who an IB is very, very quickly. An introducing broker, which is an IB, refers clients, advises, provides the necessary services and support, and gets rewarded on a commission basis for each trade the brokerage makes on behalf of their clients. So look at an IB as an affiliate marketer. All right. So let's say you are a client of TenTrade right now. TenTrade provides services for you to trade in the foreign exchange market. You can now also become an IB with TenTrade, such that TenTrade will give you a unique link that you'll be sharing with your friends or people in your community, right? So when those people register with your link and then they start trading, for every trade that they place, you are also making money just like the broker is making money. Okay, so that is a basic model whereby you make money as an IB, but of course I'll talk about more ways that you can make money. All right. So let's talk briefly. How do you earn as an introducing broker? The first way that you earn is via rebates per trade. Remember that I said that as an IB, you make money just like the broker is making money, and you can earn up to $10 per lot. Now, TenTrade is going to start you up from $5 per lot. All right. But as you keep growing in the business, right, as you keep referring more clients, you can start earning $10 per lot. Okay. So that means for every one lot that the people that you refer trade, you as the IB, you are getting paid up to $10 on Euro USD. All right. And then there are also loyalty programs by TenTrade. Okay, so such that when your clients trade a particular amount of lot size, right, you qualify for incentives. For example, TenTrade has amazing incentive, right? You can win trips outside Nigeria, outside the country. You can win iPads. You can win monetary gifts. And this is based on your activity. This is based on the volume, okay, that you push on the TenTrade platform. Okay, it's based on the number of traders that you refer to the platform. All right, you also earn. So this is if you now choose to earn outside TenTrade. Okay, because when you start trading, when you start taking the IB business seriously, some of the people that you are referring might be needing additional support. Now, the easiest way that an IB can make money is via signals. All right, so you create a particular premium group either on Telegram or on Discord or on WhatsApp, and then you help the people that you've referred to make money. So you send them trade ideas, and then you can charge a fee for these trade ideas. Either you charge a monthly fee or you charge a lifetime fee. It depends on how you want to price it. All right. So very the easiest way again to make money, okay, and it is VIP signals, right? And of course, you can also start selling your coaching programs, selling your courses. Now, I'll talk about how you tie everything into getting clients shortly, because with your VIP signals, with your coaching programs or courses, these are incentives that you can use to attract clients, okay, to your IB business with TenTrade. So we'll talk about that very shortly. But with a coaching program, right, as an IB, you can easily start making money with coaching programs and courses, right? You are aware that courses can start from anywhere from $100, okay? You can have signature programs that can be as high as $5,000, okay, if you are that good, if your content is amazing. Then of course, IB competition rewards, okay, very similar to loyalty programs as well. All right, so TenTrade has incentives, right, to let's say ginger the introducing brokers on the platform to perform. So when you perform, okay, you get rewarded. So we hold contests, okay, and then there'll be a prize that'll be split among the top performers in that particular contest. And then last but not the least is you can also get marketing support from TenTrade. Now, but this is not for everybody. This is only for people that perform extremely well. So when TenTrade sees that you are, bringing in clients are depositing, people are trading, and then you make a proposal to TenTrade that you want to do possibly an event, maybe in Lagos or in Abuja or even outside the country. TenTrade can actually sponsor that event 100%. Okay, and it's amazing because you are building your business with support from the broker. So imagine from your marketing, from your event that you held, you were able to get, let's say, 50 clients. And then those 50 clients also made deposits and then they start trading, right? And then that translates that as they're trading, you are making more money, right? It's amazing the opportunities that you can get when you start taking the IB business very seriously. All right, so let's talk about the activities that you'll be doing as an IB. The first major thing that you'll be doing is to find clients through marketing, right? So the link that you get from TenTrade, you'll be sharing that link with your friends, maybe already traders that you know that are already trading, or people in your community, or people that you want them to start trading. So you share your link with friends and family on your WhatsApp status, on your social media, on TikTok. You create marketing campaigns. All right. So you'll be very, very involved in marketing and sales. Okay, so this is a basic and major activity of an IB. All right. And of course, once you start getting clients, you need to manage and support this client because you want them to keep trading. Because when a client stops trading, you stop making money. All right. So you'll be involved with a lot of management because your clients would have questions. So, and it does not mean that you have to answer all of their questions. You can just need to direct them to their appropriate quarters, like the real support of that broker, to get them the real support, right? Then you'll be providing updates and more services to clients, right? A service that you can provide is coaching, is mentorship, is signal, is training, education, all right? Because you want to keep your clients engaged. You want to keep them thinking about the broker. You want to keep them trading, right? If you want them to be active, then you as an IB also has to be active in engaging your client. So you need to create a program around education, around services to these clients. Okay, so that will keep them trading. And as they are trading, you as the IB, you are making money. All right. So, and of course, you just rinse and repeat this process. So ensure that new people are coming into the funnel. Those new people are getting support. Your old clients are also getting support. So when you rinse and repeat this process effectively, you find out that at the end of the month, right, you're having 50 to 100 new people. Your client base is growing on a monthly basis. More people are trading, and in turn, you are smiling to the bank every single day. Now, the highlight of your day when you start, doing well as an IB is going to your dashboard and seeing your commissions for the day, right? There are big broker, there are big IBs on TenTrade platforms that are earning thousands, okay, on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, tens of thousands on a monthly basis. And then this is passively. As a matter of fact, do you know that you can even will your IB commissions to your grandkids, to your children? It can be in your will because this is the work that you've done. You only need to do the work once, and then the results will show for life. As long as those clients that you refer are trading, you as the IB will be making money. All right. So that's the amazing thing about becoming an IB, passive income. Remember that I talked about the concept of wealth. All right. There is no wealthy person that does not have a passive income system in place, residual income. Okay. Very, very important. Okay. Good. So let's move further and go into so how do you get started as a TenTrade IB? Of course, the first thing is you need to be a client of TenTrade. So if you are not a TenTrade client, you want to start by registering on TenTrade website. So go to the website displaying on the slide right now, www.ten.trade, to create your account. Okay, and then it's very, very easy. Under 2 minutes, you're done. So once you create your account, you do your verification, you do your KYC, and then the next thing you need to do is to request to become an IB. So I'll just go to the dashboard very, very shortly and show you exactly what you see. So this is the TenTrade dashboard. Once you have an account with TenTrade, you would have access to your TenTrade dashboard. So how do you request to become an IB? Very, very simple. On the left-hand side, you see IB menu on the left-hand side. So when it is the last option. So under IB menu, you are going to see request IB. So click on request IB, and then you only be asked maybe 1 or 2 questions. Okay, so select IB account currency. This is the currency in which you want to be earning. select USD, and then click on continue. So after you've done this, in less than 30 minutes to 1 hour, you should have your unique URL. All right. And next time that you come to your dashboard, at this IB menu, you are going to see your link display for you. So you see marketing. Let's see if you refresh, if it will be there already. All right. So it's not there. So you will be approved shortly. And then under the IB menu, you are going to see your unique URL. That unique URL is your referral link. That's a link you want to be displaying to people, sharing for people to sign up. It's as simple as that. Once people sign up, remember that by default, you are going to get started at $5 per lot. All right. As you progress, as you do more volume, as you refer more clients, right, we would increase it. You can start earning up to $10 per lot. All right. So let's go to the next aspect of the slides. All right. So you want to partner with a credible broker like TenTrade. TenTrade is licensed and regulated to operate globally. All right. So you don't have an issue referring TenTrade to your friends, to your family, or people that you don't even know. Right. So you are sure that the brand that you are referring has no issues with jurisdiction and licensing. Okay, so let's talk about how to make at least $1,000 each month as an IB. And I'm not kidding you when I tell you that making $1,000 is very, very possible. And then you can do this if you follow this framework. Now, remember that the whole idea of you making money as an IB is ensuring that people are trading. Once the clients you refer, once they are trading, you will make money automatically. On every trade that they place, you as the IB, you are making money. Okay, so you will notice that a lot of people love anything that is easy, right? I remember I told you that majority of forex traders lose money. All right. So if you create a service that will allow most traders make money, okay, a lot of people are going to jump on it. One of those services is a copy trading service, okay, is social trading. So that is simply connecting new traders or struggling traders to fund managers such that they can connect their accounts to the fund manager. And then as the fund manager is trading on his own accounts, that same trade is replicating on the trader's accounts. Now, TenTrade has a social trading platform whereby we have traders in the 1% of profitable traders are on the platform. So TenTrade clients can connect their own personal accounts to that fund manager's account. And as that manager is trading, the same trade is replicating on the client account. All right. So this is one way that you can get people excited again about trading funds, because before anybody can connect their account to a fund manager, you must have seen the performance of the fund manager. I'll show you a couple of fund managers that you can refer people to copy. All right. So so simply what you'll be doing if you want to leverage on this path is to simply recommend expert traders that your client can copy. It's as simple as that. So when you have a beginner or someone that's very, very busy, but still very much interested in trading Forex, you can simply recommend expert traders that they can copy. And TenTrade has already provided this platform for you. You don't have to start looking for expert traders, right? We already have expert traders on our platform with a track record. All right, so let me just quickly show you what I'm talking about briefly. Now, on your TenTrade dashboard, every client of TenTrade has access to this. You see the copy trading tab here. Then you click on copy trading rankings. Okay. When you click on the rankings, you'll be taken to a page that shows you the rankings of profitable traders on the platform. So let's wait for that to load up real quick. And then people that you tell about this platform, by themselves, they'll be able to check out the performance of each of these traders, and then they'll decide to copy anybody that they choose. Or you can go the extra mile and recommend 1 to 3 or 1 to 5 traders that they can copy. All right, so I think this is my network just messing up. So let us wait a bit for the page to load up. So while it's loading up, so like I said, it's either you recommend
Okay, good evening. Okay, good evening, everyone. Hope you guys are doing great. I think Toby has been cut off by his internet. Just give me a minute. Okay, so Toby has been cut off by the internet. I'll just stand in for him while before he comes back. All right, so he was trying to show you the partnership portal. Let me go to my partnership portal and show you copy trading rankings. Okay. All right, I hope you can see my screen. So this is what he was showing. So here you have, okay, Toby is back. Here you have, Toby, are you there? Are you there, Toby? Let me know when you're.
yes, sir, I'm back.
Okay, all right.
I'm back. Good. So let's go. So I was talking about the fact that one way that you can get people to that you can get clients is to leverage on the TenTrade social copy platform. Now, with this platform, new traders or struggling traders can easily start making money from day one by getting access to profitable traders. So on their dashboard, all you have to do is to recommend traders to these people. So under the copy trading platform, you will see copy trading rankings. Good. So you can see the rankings here, and they are ranked from number 1. So the first person here is Global Wealth Fund. As you can see, this person has had a return of 5,000%. So this is 50 times his investment. okay? And this is over the, when you click on the link, you get more data about this person's performance, okay? So, and then this person has been very, very profitable, right? You can see average return every month, 23%. So when you show this to new traders and struggling traders, and then you can see this person has been trading consistently for almost 2 years now. And in 2 years, ultimately, this trader has been very, very profitable. So your recommendation is based on performance. And this trader is not the only person there. We have a lot of traders on the platform. You have Global World Fund, you have Trading Mogul, you have USD JPY experts. Let's check out this guy. This guy has had a return of over 200%, right, in less than 2 years, right? And if you check out this person's monthly statistics, you can see in almost 2 years, he has only had 2 months that were losing months. And the highest drawdown in this losing month was just 15% of his account. And the following month is always a recovery month. So when you recommend this kind of trader to your client that you are bringing on board, they are seeing the performance. So when people see track record, when they see performance, they are most likely to get involved. And of course, you would also let them know the risk involved with trading. We all know that trading Forex is risky. So you want to be honest with people that you're bringing on board so that you can have a consistent business. Don't give people 100% guarantee that they will never lose money. That's really the case. So people, when they come to this platform, they can see a lot of traders, okay, that are doing very, very well. And then they decide on who they want to copy. It's as simple as that. So it is either you refer people to copy, you recommend traders that they can copy, or you yourself, if you are a good trader, you can also be a fund manager on this platform. And then you tell people about your name, your page, and then they copy you. It's as simple as that. If you are a good trader and then you are performing, people are going to copy your strategy. Okay, so that is the first path to making at least $1,000 each month. Okay, I'll show you all of the math very, very shortly. Okay, so what is the second path? Second way that you can easily, start making money is to provide a signal service and offer free access to everyone who trades with your referral link. If you have a good signal service, okay, and then of course your service is going to be a premium service. So let's say normally for anybody to join your signal service, they need to pay, let's say, $100 on a monthly basis. In order to get people to register with your link, you let them know that instead of them paying that $100 every month, all they need to do is to sign up with your referral link and fund with a particular amount. Everybody likes a good bargain, a good deal, especially when you have a very, very solid signal service. You would have a lot of clients, okay, creating accounts. And then once you send your signals, once they are part of the signal service, and then they are trading with your signals, okay, people are trading. And then as they are trading, you are making money. So in essence, you are in control of how many trades that people can open on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. So let's say you've built your signal group to a point whereby you have 100 clients. And guys, trust me, it is very, very easy to have 100 people to join your signal service if you are into signal service, okay? Because signal service is the easiest way, okay, to get Forex traders. The majority of traders love signals, okay, because almost everybody likes it easy, okay? And especially when your service is good, people will stick to your signal service and then they will keep trading. And then because they came in with your referral link, as they are trading with your signals, you are making money. Okay, everybody wins. You are making money, and then your clients are also making money. So it's a win-win scenario. So how do you send signals? It is either you generate signals yourself. So that is if you're a good trader, right? You can get signal by yourself, or you resell signals from premium signal services. So there's a plethora of premium signal service out there. There are good signal platforms, and then there are bad ones. So what you want to do is to subscribe to a good premium signal service and simply resell it, right? There's no intelligent property on signals, all right? So you're not stealing anybody's IQ, anybody's property, all right? So you can actually resell signals, all right? So what you do is get a premium signal platform, right? Be in the group. As you are receiving the premium signals, just copy and paste it on your own signal platform for people, for your own clients to copy, right? It's as simple as that. Or you partner with a very good forex trader. If you have a forex trader that's a friend or a business partner, okay, share the model with that partner. So have an arrangement whereby this trader will be sending signals to your group, and at the end of the month, you give him, let's say, a percentage of your own IB commissions, or you just give him a standard flat fee at the end of the month. So you don't actually need to be a forex trader to actually run a signal platform, right? You can leverage on a good forex trader, or you resell signals from premium signal services. It's as easy as that. And then, like I said, signals is a really good starting point for an IB. It will be easy for you to get clients if you go the signal route. Okay. So the third path is to start your own forex trading academy. Okay. So people love education, right? The majority of forex traders are losing money. So when they are able to get education on how they can stop losing money, people people like to read. People like to source for information, and this is one way that you can also attract new clients to be what's it called, to be your own client. So you want to educate and provide support to forex traders, and you can also have free free educational materials that is accessible to everybody. But for people that want to learn more, for guys that want access to your mentorship, to your coaching, rather than them paying the subscription fee, maybe $100 every month, they can just create an account with your link, make a deposit, and then they are added to your premium mentorship platform. Okay, people subscribe to education. Okay, Africans basically likes to be educated. All right, so when you start your own forex academy, and then you don't have to do this like a physical academy, you can start online and just do trainings on Zoom, just like we are doing right now. You can have your own community on Telegram. You can have your community on WhatsApp. You can have your community on Discord. You can have your community on Facebook, and just keep educating people. When people see that you are educating them, there's a natural thing that happens. People begin to see you as an expert in this field. And then when they see you as an expert in this field, when you start making recommendations, they will take your recommendations seriously. So when you start your forex trading academy, you want to keep hammering on that your recommended brokerage firm is TenTrade. And when they register with TenTrade, they'll also get access to other benefits like your signal platform, like premium education, premium signals. All right. So you want to educate people, sensitize them, okay, ensure that they create an account with your link, ensure that they place a deposit, ensure that they are trading. Even in your own academy, you can create contests like trading contests. You can have trader of the month. and then you are giving first trader, let's say $100 or $200, $200 each month. And that money is only for people that trade, or for people that trade the highest lot size in a particular month. All right, so there's no limit to how creative you can be by creating your own Forex trading academy. Now, as you start growing, you can grow from online to now start having your own physical Forex trading academy and start trading people real time. All right. So in your academy, you want to recommend TenTrade and the TenTrade ecosystem. So by TenTrade ecosystem, we mean all of the services that TenTrade provides. TenTrade provides brokerage services. We help traders trade in the first market. There is the copy trading platform by TenTrade. There is the Prof firm, the funded trader program. Okay, so TenTrade funds traders. We give traders up to $500,000 to trade. So every service that TenTrade provides, right, is what you want to be, telling people in your academy. It's as simple as that. So you've learned about three parts now. The first part is what is to leverage on TenTrade social trading platform. Second path is to provide a signal service and offer free access to everyone who trades with your referral link. All right. And then the third path is to start your own Forex trading academy. All right. So let's do an easy mathematics, how you can earn $1,000 each month. So let us break it down into math, actual statistics, right? So if you earn up to $10 for every one lot traded on Euro USD, okay, in order to earn $1,000, then 100 lots need to be traded, right? So how do you generate 100 lots every single month? So this is if your goal is to earn $1,000 every month, which is a low-hanging fruit, by the way. It's very, very achievable for you in the next 2 or 3 months to have a residual income of $1,000, right? To earn $1,000 every month, you and your clientele needs to generate 100 lots on a monthly basis. So how do you do this? Step one is get one client who can trade 100 lots monthly, right? So fortunately, if you have a client that deposited heavy, so maybe like a client that is trading, let's say $100,000, or clients that is risking using heavy lots, okay? So that client can help you generate 100 lots. So one client can actually make you $1,000 on a monthly basis. Very, very possible. Or you get 5 clients that can trade 20 lots every month, 20 lots each monthly. All right. So it's not in getting 100 clients. You can actually have 1 client or 5 clients that can do this. So that depends on the quality of traders that you refer to the platform. That will determine how much you make eventually. Or you get 10 clients that can trade 10 lots each on a monthly basis. And how do you ensure that they are trading each month? By leveraging on those 3 parts that we mentioned. Either you provide them, you add them to a signal platform, and then they are trading with your signal, or you let them know about the copy trading platform. So they connect their account to a fund manager, and that person is trading on their behalf. So automatically, you are generating lots, okay, using those methods. Or number 3, you are educating them on how they can take trades by themselves. Okay, you are ensuring that they are trading. You have weekly sessions. As a matter of fact, you can even recommend that your clients join TenTrade webinars. So every week we do live trading sessions at TenTrade, and on those sessions we spot profitable zones that we should be trading from. when your client joins this webinar, they know exactly where they should be trading. Okay, and every week we are doing this. So ensure that your clients are joining these webinars so that they are trading. Okay, as they are joining, they are trading, and then you are making money. So 10 clients that trades 10 lots each month, or you get 20 clients who trade 5 lots each monthly, or you get 100 clients who trade 1 lot each monthly. All right, so the ball is in your court right now, how you want to earn these $1,000 every month. So $1,000 every month is 740,000 naira every month. Okay, which is very, very doable. Now, for people that take the IB business very, very seriously, right? I know people that are earning over $10,000 every single month, passively, residual income, because they've used all of these methods, right, to get people to trade with a broker, and then they are, reaping the rewards, and then they'll keep making that money, except those clients stop trading. That is when they will stop making money. All right. So the ball is in your court. So let me know in the chat box, right? How many clients do you think you want to get in order for you to make $1,000 every month? Let me hear your responses in the chat box. So let's do a quick survey, right? How many clients, ideal clients, would you like to have? Okay, so that you can hit the 1K monthly target. All right, Cornelia, Daniel, Jonathan, Judah, Sunday, Solomon, Rosalind, Jumoke. Okay. How many clients would you like to have that are trading considerable lots on a weekly basis? And then you'll be leveraging on the 3 methods that was given to you. Okay. And then when people start trading, remember that TenTrade has incentives. We have, IB competitions. So aside the money that you'll be earning from commissions, you would also be earning incentives, and these incentives can be every month. And then there are even times that the incentives might even be more than, right, the rebate that you'll be earning on a monthly basis. So how much you earn as an introducing broker depends on the effort that you put into the business. All right. So you are in control of your income at the end of the month. All right. So you can earn as a retail trader. You can also earn as an introducing broker. Okay, guys, let me know if this has been valuable to you. If you've gotten value so far, please type in value in the chat box. Okay, type in value in the chat box. If you like to, start partnering, start making money. Awesome. Sunday said valuable. Good, Patrick. Good. All right. It is the easiest way, guys. Easiest way, and everybody that partners can make money. Jonathan, awesome. Judah, awesome. Right? Everybody that uses this framework, this is a framework. When you use this framework, there is no doubt that you make money. Right? The question would now be, how much do you want to make? If you want to make more money, then you would have to now put in a lot more effort. All right. So let me know if we have any questions. You can type your questions in the chat box, or just signify, and then I'm going to unmute you so that you can ask your questions. And then possibly Mr. Victor would also chip in a few points, what you can do to succeed as an introducing broker, because he deals with, a lot of us that are IBs. Okay, let me know if you have any questions so far based on what you've learned. Okay, or let's do a quick poll here. Do we have existing IBs on this webinar? If you're already an IB, type in one in the chat box. If you are not an IB yet, type in two in the chat box. Let's do a quick poll. Let me know if, okay, one, Jonathan is already an IB. Good, good. So that means you are already in the game. So all you have to do is to upgrade and start using all of this method. All right, good, good, awesome. So, and we are going to be doing this every single week. All right. So, and every week we're going to be adding more content to make it a lot more concise for everybody. So ensure that you are always on the lookout for webinars on partnership business. All right, guys, there is no limit to how much you can earn when you are a partner with a broker. All right, and then the broker is willing to go, miles for you. When a broker sees that you are a good IB, there's nothing you ask the broker that the broker wouldn't do for you. Okay, so TenTrade is ready to support IBs, to support people that will take the business very, very seriously. So let me give you a personal example of mine. So when I was in Cyprus, right, TenTrade actually sponsored an event. Everything about the event that I held in Cyprus was sponsored by TenTrade. Imagine, Cyprus, you spend euros in Cyprus, right? So even if they spend euros or they spend pounds, it was a very, very, expensive event. But when the broker sees that, okay, you are able to bring in new clients, you are able to do volume, okay, they are willing to give you support. And that support will be used to build your business. And then as you are building the business, you are making more money for yourself and of course making more money for the trader as well. So it's a win-win scenario. Okay, so Daniel is already an IB. Good. All right. So guys, let us take this business very, very seriously. The potential of being an IB is massive. Okay, is massive. There is no limit to how much you can make. Okay, so you set your monthly income. So I'll just go over it again if possible. So any questions so far? Mr. Victor, do you want to come up online and say something? If not, we'll just round up for the night. Also, let me say thank you to everybody for joining this webinar. Okay, I know that it is Friday, and Friday is usually a bubbling day for everybody, but you took that time out to learn how to partner and increase your cash flow. So I salute everybody here tonight. Mr. Musa Solomon, you have been requesting for this webinar. Okay, I hope it makes sense to you. I hope you got value, and I hope that you would take action. Okay, so I'll just wait for a few seconds, up to 1 minute, if we have questions. Awesome. So Sonny, you're welcome. Solomon, you're welcome. Any questions so far before we call it a night? All right, again, all you need is on the TenTrade platform. We have an ecosystem. We have so much that is not available on other brokers, right? So you can leverage on TenTrade ecosystem, right, to make a whole lot of money for yourself. And then one major advantage that TenTrade also has. Now, the majority of you listening to me right now, you are in Africa, you are in Nigeria. So TenTrade is just breaking into the African market. So very few people are clients of TenTrade in Africa right now. Okay, because TenTrade is just entering the African market. All right, so that means the competition is very, very low. So you have a great upside right now to getting clients to getting clients. So there's no competition, because guys, let me tell you something. We are going to hold an event in Lagos, okay, possibly next month or latest March. So that is TenTrade, that will be our first ever event in Africa, in Lagos. And at that event, a lot of people, I can guarantee you, are going to come on board as introducing brokers. So before those people come on board, you have the first mover advantage. So you should make use of it, right? I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. So you want to start now, take action, all right? Don't play with what you've earned, with what you've learned right now, right? This year can be an amazing year for you if you put this to work. And then when you have any questions, right, we are always here for you. I'm here, right? You can speak to your account officer if you have any questions, or speak to the live chat support on TenTrade website. Okay, so let us call it a night. Again, let me thank you for coming on board. I've had fun sharing these ideas with you. I hope that you take action and make it worthwhile. The recording of this session will be made available tomorrow morning to be sent on the WhatsApp group and the Telegram group. So be on the lookout. You want to watch this recording again tomorrow, okay? And then start implementing all of these strategies. All right. I wish us all the very best in our trading business. God bless you. Bye-bye.